Good morning, students. This video is for class 3 maths, and today we will start with exercise number 9.2. In exercise 9.2, they have given you, in question number 1, they have given you milliliter and they have asked you to convert into liter. And in question number 2, they have given you milliliter and they have asked you to convert into liter as well as milliliter. So, if you remember whatever we have done in the previous two chapters, that if you convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide, and divide by how much? You have to see the chart. That chart right in the beginning I have given, you see the number of gap and then you have to divide by that. So let me write this chart again here. Kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. So this is the chart. Now let us start with the sum exercise. Question number 1A. 6,000 milliliter, and they have asked you to convert into it. So milliliter is here. If you see the chart, milliliter is here and they have asked you to convert into liter. That means from smaller unit to bigger unit. And how much is the gap? 1, 2, 3. So you will write here, as we know, they have given you milliliter. So 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by how many plus? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus. So 1000. 3 places means 30, and in the beginning you have to write 1. So 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So 6,000 milliliter is equal to 6,000 divided by 1000. Divided by 1000. Because 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So 6,000 milliliter will be 6,000 by divided by 1000. So you have 3 zeros in the bottom. That means down you have 3 zeros. Up also you cancel 3 zeros. How did you cancel? You can only cancel if the zeros are at the last. You cannot cancel the zeros in between the number. So 3 zeros you have at the bottom in the last, and 3 zero at the top also, they are also at the last. So what is remaining? 6, and this is liter. So I hope you have understood. Let me show you one more. Suppose number F, 9,000 milliliter. So again, as we know, what information they have given you? Milliliter. So you will write 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. 1 by 1000 liter. So 9,000 milliliter is equal to 9,000 divided by 1000. So 0 gets cancelled, and you have how much? You have 9, and you have already converted. So 9 liter. So I hope all of you have understood this question number 1. Now let me show you question number 2. In question number 2, they have said, convert the following into liters and milliliters. Let us see. Question number 2A. What they have given? 7,286 milliliter. They have given you 7,286 milliliter and they have asked you to convert it to liter as well as milliliter. So let us write, as we know, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. We know this because 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000. So 7,286 milliliter is equal to 7,286 divided by 1000. Now when you divide, you can still find out, but let me show you one short form so that you don't have to divide. How many zeros you have at the bottom? You have 3 zeros. So count 1, 2, 3 and cancel. You have 3 zeros, and from the right hand side, from the right hand side, go towards the left hand side up to 3 places, because 3 zeros you have cancelled. So 1, 2 and 3, and put a decimal here. So whatever you have before the decimal is your liter, and after the decimal is your milliliter. That means after the decimal is the smaller unit and before the decimal is the greater unit. I hope all of you have understood. Let me show you one more. Suppose number 8. Number 8 they have said 4005 milliliter and convert this into it. So you have to write here, as we know 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So 4005 milliliter is equal to 4005 divided by 1000. Again you count the number of 0, 1, 2, 3 and cancel, and from the right hand side count 1, 2, 3, 3 digit you count and then put one dot or decimal. After that, whatever before the decimal 4 liter and here 005 milliliter. So 4 liter and 5 milliliter. So I hope you have understood this, children. This is very simple. The rules are same as you have done in the previous 2 chapters. So please do it carefully. If you cannot understand, watch the videos properly, and after that also if you don't understand, you can ask me during the online classes. So for today up to this much, complete this exercise 9.2 in the copy, and in the next class we will start with exercise 9.3. So for today up to this much, thank you class.